Hi everybody, welcome to the Finance This Property That podcast. My name is Dion Fernandes and I am a mortgage planner and finance professional. My goal is to empower financial legacies for generations, and I look to do this by using my over 13 years experience in finance and having special guest speakers like financial planners, accountants, buyer's agents, family lawyers who are experts in their field to provide knowledge and free education. And without further ado, let's get into our episode today. Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of Finance This, Property That, where we look to empower financial legacies for generations. Today's topic is really key in the current market. It's around maximizing your borrowing capacity and wisely investing. Let's get into it. So, why is borrowing capacity crucial for investment success? Well, think of your borrowing capacity as like your financial fuel tank. Yes, I know petrol's expensive right now, but get away from that. The more capacity you have, the further you can go with investments. It's really essential for seizing opportunities and building wealth efficiently. So let's take a little bit of a moment to understand how borrowing capacity works and what actually affects your borrowing capacity. The number one thing that it will affect your borrowing capacity, apart from income, is your credit score. Nothing else matters. If you are making too many applications for credit and have bad conduct, the lenders usually will look at that first. So as soon as we submit it, it goes through that, regardless of how much money you earn or the deposit you have. Again, I really encourage you to refer to my podcast with Kerry Sainsbury from Credit Success, where we delve a little bit deeper into how this actually affects applications for credit. The other defining factors that influence borrowing capacity is obviously your income. How much money do you earn and how much money will you earn? And where does that income come from? The other one is around your liabilities, your current mortgages, credit cards, your buy now, pay later. That really does affect borrowing capacity. Also, security to a certain point, where you buy and what you buy, because certain areas require more deposit, and also you can't buy in certain areas either. So, what are some strategies around maximizing your borrowing capacity? Well, like I said before, maintaining a healthy credit score, paying your bills on time, not making unnecessary applications for credit, and reducing the debt that you have. Pretty simple, right? Then, obviously, naturally increasing your income, either in your current role or by negotiating your salary where you are, or additional revenue streams like rental income, dividends, etc. Why don't you just ask for a pay rise? Start your side hustle. Just do it. If you want to build wealth, that's one you can do. The other key thing is around structuring your debt efficiently to lower your interest rates and monthly repayments. I said this in a previous podcast. Getting this right at the start is key. And also having regular reviews is key. The other one is getting, some wise investment tips for you guys as well. Get the right team behind you to guide you on your journey. Pretty simple. Like I said before, regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment portfolios to stay aligned with your financial goals. Surrounding yourself with a team of experts really helps you with that guidance piece. How can someone like me help you? Well, I can help you structure the debt and look at your borrowing capacity and set that piece up. I can also collaborate and refer people to a team of specialists, such as financial planners, accountants, real estate agents, buyer's agents, and also insurance specialists. So getting in early, understanding what you need and how we can help is really key. So in summary, some of your strategies for maximizing your borrowing capacities and investing wisely: speak to someone early. Don't make extra applications for credit when you don't need to, right? I encourage you all to seek professional advice. Let's optimize your financial strategies. Contact me. I'm happy to help and have a conversation with you and guide you in that right direction. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you for listening today. I appreciate it. If you did find a little bit of help here, share this. It doesn't cost you anything. Follow me on Instagram at Dion Finance Specialist. Follow me on LinkedIn, Dion Fernandes. Follow the podcast on Instagram, Apple, Spotify, at Finance This Property That. It is available also on YouTube to view as a video if you want to see my face or anything like that. Again, I don't pay for advertising. I don't have any advertising on this podcast. Share it with everyone. And all the advice on this podcast is general in nature. I encourage you, like I said, to seek professional advice from someone so that they can understand your current situation and make recommendations based on that. Thank you again for listening, and see you on the next episode.